Selenium WebDriver is pivotal for automating web browsers. It allows precise control over browser actions, enabling automated testing and data extraction. Mastering Selenium involves understanding its architecture, element location strategies, and handling dynamic content. These skills are essential for creating robust, maintainable automation solutions that tackle real-world challenges like authentication and error recovery. Welcome to our Advanced Python Automation course. We'll delve into Selenium WebDriver, mastering setup, dynamic content handling, and multi-browser testing. By session's end, you'll build robust automation solutions tackling real-world challenges like authentication and error recovery. Selenium excels in browser fidelity, executing JavaScript and rendering pages as users see them, crucial for testing single-page applications and dynamic content. Its cross-browser capability ensures a consistent user experience across Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. By simulating real user interactions through browser application programming interfaces, Selenium is ideal for testing authenticated workflows and JavaScript-heavy sites. Selenium's three-tier architecture involves your Python script interacting with WebDriver using JSON Wire Protocol or World Wide Web Consortium WebDriver standard. WebDriver translates these commands into browser-native operations via automation application programming interfaces. This setup necessitates both the Selenium package and a driver executable, enabling support for multiple browsers through standardized interfaces while accommodating unique browser implementations. Setting up Selenium involves installing the Selenium package and configuring browser drivers. Use WebDriver Manager to automate driver downloads and versioning, simplifying setup. Install Selenium and WebDriver Manager via pip, then verify with a test script. Initialize the driver using Chrome Driver Manager for automatic management, ensuring seamless browser control. Initialize the browser with WebDriver Manager for automatic driver handling. Navigate to a URL, locate elements using by.name, and interact by sending keys and submitting forms. Use implicit waits for dynamic content loading. Extract data with by CSS selector. Ensure browser closure with a try finally block to prevent orphan processes. Element location is crucial in Selenium. By ID is the fastest, ideal for unique IDs. By name suits form inputs with name attributes. By CSS. Selector offers flexibility for complex queries and pseudo classes. By XPath excels in navigating DOM relationships and text matching, providing unmatched power for intricate queries. CSS selectors are optimal for performance-critical tasks, offering speed and readability, ideal for class-based selection and downward document object model traversal. XPath, however, excels in complex queries, enabling navigation up the document object model and text content matching. Choose CSS for simplicity and speed. Opt for XPath when handling intricate document object model relationships and dynamic attributes. Interacting with web elements extends beyond basic clicks and text input. Use send keys for typing and clear to reset fields. For form submissions, submit is more reliable than clicking buttons. Drop-downs are managed with the select class, while checkboxes and radio buttons require is-selected checks. Action chains enable complex interactions like hover and drag and drop. Action chains in Selenium enable advanced interactions by queuing actions for precise execution. Hover over elements to reveal drop-downs, perform drag and drop, and execute complex keyboard combinations like Ctrl+A. Chain multiple actions with move, click, and send keys, using pause, for deliberate timing. This ensures seamless, coordinated interactions on dynamic web pages. Modern websites load content asynchronously, making elements appear unpredictably. Using time sleep leads to unreliable scripts due to wasted time or intermittent failures. Selenium's intelligent waiting mechanisms, like explicit waits, poll for conditions, and proceed immediately when met, ensuring scripts are both reliable and efficient, adapting to varying page load times. Explicit waits offer precision by targeting specific conditions, enhancing script reliability. Use WebDriver wait to wait for elements to be clickable, text presence, or invisibility. Common conditions include element to be clickable and text to be present in element. Explicit waits provide clear error messages, making them ideal for dynamic content handling in production environments. Implicit waits set a global delay for all element searches, ideal for simple scripts where elements load uniformly. They are easy to implement but lack flexibility. Explicit waits, however, offer precise control by targeting specific conditions, making them the industry standard for production. Avoid mixing both to prevent unpredictable behavior and debugging challenges. JavaScript pop-ups, alerts, and dialogues halt page interaction until addressed. Use Selenium's alert interface to manage these. Wait for alerts using WebDriver. Wait, then retrieve text with alert.text. Accept or dismiss alerts with alert. Accept or alert, dismiss. For prompts, input text using alert. Send keys before accepting. Iframes are embedded HTML documents within a page requiring explicit context switching in Selenium. Use web element reference, frame index, or name .id to switch. Always revert to default content post-interaction to avoid element not found errors. For instance, switch to an iframe to enter credit card details, then return to the main page to submit an order. Managing multiple windows and tabs involves storing the original window handle, opening a new tab, and switching context using window handles. After performing actions in the new tab, close it and switch back to the original window. This technique is crucial for testing workflows involving multiple windows, such as payment processors or OAuth authentication. Executing JavaScript with Selenium's execute script allows for advanced browser interactions. Use it to scroll elements into view, force clicks on hidden elements, or extract data from the document object model. This method is essential for tasks Selenium can't handle natively, such as accessing the dataset application programming interface or manipulating browser storage. Exception handling is crucial for robust automation. Use try-except blocks to manage Selenium exceptions like no such element exception and timeout exception. For timeout exception, log errors and capture screenshots. If element click intercepted exception occurs, scroll and retry. Handle stale element reference exception by refinding elements. Always ensure cleanup with driver.quit in the finally block. Headless mode allows browsers to run without a graphical user interface, enhancing speed and efficiency, ideal for server deployment and continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines. It supports parallel execution, reducing resource usage. However, some sites detect headless mode. Counter this with user agent rotation and fingerprinting mitigation. Configure Chrome with headless options for seamless automation. The Page Object Model, POM, enhances test maintainability by encapsulating page elements and interactions within classes. For instance, the login page class manages login elements and actions. This architecture ensures that changes in page structure require updates in a single class, not multiple tests, streamlining test maintenance and reducing errors. Scraping dynamic content involves handling infinite scrolls and waiting for elements to load. Use Selenium to scroll and load all products, then extract details like name, price, and rating. Store this data in a CSV, comma-separated values file for analysis. This approach ensures comprehensive data collection from dynamic web pages. To handle authentication and cookies, first save session cookies post-login using driver.getCookies and store them in a JSON file. Load these cookies by navigating to the domain and using driver.addCookie. Refresh the page to verify the session. Implement retry logic to manage expired sessions, ensuring seamless reauthentication when necessary. Optimize production automation by minimizing network requests. Block unnecessary resources using Chrome DevTools protocol to cut page load times by up to 70%. Implement connection pooling to reuse browser instances, reducing overhead. Execute tasks in parallel with multiprocessing for increased throughput. Employ smart waiting with explicit conditions to enhance efficiency and reliability. Avoid using time sleep. Instead, use WebDriver, wait for dynamic content. always call driver.quit in a finally block to prevent memory leaks. Use stable attributes like data tested for selectors. Handle stale element reference by requerying elements. Explicitly switch context for iframes or new windows to ensure element interaction. Master core concepts like WebDriver architecture, strategic element location, and explicit weights. Embrace exception handling and the page object model for robust automation. Explore Selenium grid, PyTest fixtures, and anti-detection techniques. Build real projects and engage with the Selenium community. Prioritize reliability and maintainability in your automation journey.